Okay, it's September 5th, 2022. Right in front of my house is something I didn't think I'd ever see again. An ice cream truck. Look at that.
I got it. Sonic.
Hey, can we get the Sonic, please? What was it? It's $4?
Yes, sir.
I think I'll take that $2 Wower thing. I thought ice cream trucks were not around anymore. What made you want to do this?
Still around, man. I have a couple of trucks still around.
Oh, so this ain't the only one?
No,
Oh, okay. How long have you been doing this for?
about 7 years.
7 years.
Yes, sir.
Is this, you've been in this area, the Coppers Cove area?
No, I'm from Killeen.
Oh, from Killeen, okay. Yeah, so what made you pop out this way?
I'm just trying out the neighborhood.
I guess you're doing okay so far, huh?
Yeah.
So what made you want to start doing this anyway?
It started as a side business,
A side business,
Yeah.
okay.
and then expanded the business.
So you were doing a different thing and you did this on the side.
Yes.
Did you quit the other thing and just doing this full time now?
Yes, sir.
It is working for you, huh?
Yeah.
7 years.
Here in Texas, it's always hot.
Yeah.
So it works perfect.
Of course.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. What's your name?
My name is Adib.
Adib. Nice to meet you, Adib.
Thank you.
All right.
You have a good day.
Well, good luck. You too. So this is pretty cool. Okay. So the last time they tried to sell me meat from... Ow! Put over my shoes. Last time they tried to sell me meat from the back of a truck. This time they did sell me ice cream from the back of the truck. This is a sour bar. This looks really good. So I'm glad I got one. It's the only one for $2. I had $2 single with me. That my wife gave me to get some ice cream from the ice cream truck. Like it's back in the 70s or something. All right. Good dessert too. I just finished lunch. As you can see. Kind of tart, kind of sour. It's like those no, sour candies, sour balls, I forget what they're called. Like Warheads, kind of like Warheads in popsicle form, only not as painful maybe. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this popsicle treat. 6:07 p.m.